Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the best AI tools that can make you rich in 2023. But before we dive into that, please do me a favor and smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and drop a nice comment below. I really appreciate your support. Hey YouTubers, guess what? AI has made content creation on YouTube a total breeze. Even if you're a newbie, you can build a successful business and earn unlimited money from anywhere in the world. Apps like Feature Leonardo AI and Dolly Leonardo can help you create logos, banners, and thumbnails for your videos. Tools like ChatGPT are also super handy for coming up with channel names, descriptions, video ideas, scripts, and optimizing your channel for SEO. Lots of YouTubers are already using AI to their advantage, so if you haven't jumped on the bandwagon, you might be missing out. Let's talk about reaching that $10,000 per month goal. You'll need at least 1,000 subscribers to monetize your channel. If you're in a profitable niche like affiliate marketing with an average CPM of $22, you'll need around 454,545 monthly views to hit that income target. Release 3 videos a week and aim for about 37,879 views per video. But here's the kicker. Monetization is just the beginning. There are countless ways to make money on YouTube. For example, affiliate marketing can bring in massive commissions. By including an affiliate link with a $1.10 commission and just a 1% conversion rate, you could earn over $45,000 per month on top of your monetization revenue. YouTube offers even more opportunities for financial success. You can sell your own products, merchandise, courses, and create exclusive content for a closed fan group. The possibilities are endless. While AI can handle a lot of the workload, there are still some tasks you should do yourself. Video creation and editing, for instance. AI-generated videos may lack that special touch, so make sure to put in the effort to make your content stand out. Thumbnails are also crucial for attracting viewers. While AI can help with background images, apps like Photoshop, Photopea, or Canva are great for creating catchy and attractive thumbnails with text. And don't forget about voiceovers. Real voices tend to be more engaging, so if possible, do the voiceover yourself. If not, research text-to-speech AI options for a reasonably realistic alternative. Now, let's dive into the practical tools I use for content creation. It all starts with a killer idea. Get creative on your own or rely on ChatGPT for inspiration. When it's time to create the video, a well-written script is key. If you're not familiar with the topic, spend some time researching with the help of ChatGPT or other sources. The first 30 seconds of your video are crucial, so make them captivating. Voiceover options include doing it yourself, or using text-to-speech services that sound human-like. For video editing, there are various programs like Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or Final Cut. Choose one that suits your needs. When it comes to thumbnails, Photoshop is my go-to, but you can also use free alternatives like Photopea or Canva. And if you need background images, AI tools like Artbreeder or Leonardo AI can lend a helping hand. If you found this video helpful, show some love in the comments and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Get ready to conquer YouTube with the power of AI and build a successful money-making empire. Good luck, fellow YouTube superstars. It's time to make those dollar bills rain.